Good afternoon, everyone. This is Bob McIntosh on board this gorgeous 2018 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage in stunning Abaco blue. She's powered by quad 350 horsepower Mercury Verados and offers an absolute ton of entertaining capabilities. We'll start here in our aft cockpit area with a large fold-down bench seat with an additional fold-down seat here on the starboard side. While we're in the aft cockpit, we can also utilize our twin drawer-style refrigerators, tons of storage in between them. And on our summer kitchen, we have both a freshwater sink and an electric grill, as well as all the switches, hard switches, for our functions aft of the helm area. As we move further towards the helm area, I'd love to show you our great seating arrangement. So here we are at the helm of our 2018 42-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. We have 3 wide seating right here at the helm. One of my favorite parts about this boat, though, is we have an additional 3 wide seating that stows away for our guests. So now we have the option of sitting 6 of our closest friends and family underneath the hardtop, out of the conditions, and all facing forward with enough height to see over top of the windshield. We also have air conditioning and heat, and my favorite part, the capability to turn our seats around and oppose our guests for face-to-face conversation. So here at the helm, we have 3 16-inch Raymarine displays that can display anything and everything you'd like. Everything from charts, bottom finder. We have a full digital switching platform where we can turn on things, cabin lights by a push of a button, courtesy lights, or turn them off again. Very, very intuitive display. If we scroll through it, we can also see all of our fuel levels, black water tank levels, what our current shore power output is, what our battery voltages are. Very, very cool system. And it can all be done via touchscreen, push of a button. And you found me at my favorite seat in the house. Chase Lounger on the bow of the 42 is as comfortable as it gets. I have enough room for me and 2 other friends. Cup holders, armrests, great storage underneath where I'm sitting, and still plenty of room forward of me for the rest of my guests. 42 Outrage has great entertaining potential, great fishing potential, great day boating potential. I'd love to show you more. Stop on down to MarineMax here in Naples. Ask for Bob. Give me a call at 215-501-2473, and I'd love to give you a more in-depth tour.